Imagine holding a plastic visor that weighs less than a pound, strapping it to your face, and watching the physical walls of your room completely dissolve into a hyper-realistic alternate reality. This is the MetaQuest 4. In this video, we are stripping away the corporate tech monologues, the empty metaverse promises, and the standard hardware hype to uncover a deeply unsettling, almost science fiction reality. Meta didn't just build another virtual reality headset. They engineered an advanced spatial computing platform designed to hijack your visual cortex, reshape your digital identity, and fundamentally alter how humans interact with space, time, and each other. But here is the real psychological hook that nobody is talking about. Most people who buy this headset are going to treat it like a video game console. They will buy it to slice flying blocks, shoot virtual targets, or watch movies on a giant simulated screen. They are completely missing the bigger picture. This device isn't a toy. It is a psychological mirror, a tool designed to track your eyes, decode your facial expressions, map your home, and blend the line between what is real and what is synthetic until your brain literally cannot tell the difference. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why the Quest 4 is a staggering leap in human engineering, but also why it represents a subtle, permanent shift in how much of our reality we are willing to hand over to a corporation. Let's begin at the absolute core of the experience, the optical breakthrough. 4 generations of VR, from the early Oculus Rift to the mainstream Quest 2, the experience was defined by compromises. You had the screen door effect, where you could see the physical spaces between pixels, making text blurry and causing severe eye strain. Then came the Quest 3 with pancake lenses, which sharpened the image but still left you looking at an LCD panel with gray, washed-out blacks. The Quest 4 destroys those limitations by adopting next-generation 4K micro-OLED displays per eye. When you look through these lenses, you are no longer looking at a screen strapped to your face. You are looking at a display with infinite contrast. The blacks are completely ink black, because each individual pixel turns completely off when it isn't needed. When you step into a dark virtual corridor, or look out into a simulated deep space, your eyes adjust naturally because there is no backlight bleeding through the dark areas. The resolution is so dense that human visual acuity can no longer distinguish individual pixels. Text reads as sharply as a physical paper book. Medical diagrams, dense lines of code, and distant landscapes look mathematically crisp. It completely eliminates the subconscious friction that tells your brain, this is a fake screen. This visual clarity is driven by a massive leap in raw processing power. The Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3 chipset, built on a highly efficient architecture with a dedicated neural processing unit. In previous headsets, standalone mobile graphics meant mobile-grade graphics. Everything looks slightly cartoony, low polygon, and simplified so the mobile chip wouldn't overheat. The XR2 Gen 3 changes the paradigm. It allows the Quest 4 to execute real-time physics, dynamic lighting, and complex geometry locally, without being tethered to a high-end gaming PC by a wire. When you move through a virtual environment, shadows cast realistically from moving light sources, textures reflect light based on their material properties, and thousands of independent objects interact according to real physical laws. The computational headroom is massive.